Hey friend, welcome back. Let's talk about Theta token, my price prediction and chart analysis for Theta for April. Should you buy now? What price levels should you buy at? And when should you sell? In this video, I will answer all your questions. So here I am on Theta's chart. And as always, when it comes to making money with crypto, you want to do two simple things. You want to draw your chart pattern so you know where to buy low and sell high. And you need risk management, which is a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. If that sounds complicated, it's not, and I will explain it to you in just a moment. So as always, this is not financial advice, it's for educational purpose only. And here I am on the chart. What we always want to do is we look at the daily chart, so we zoom out and see the big picture. This is called multiple time frame analysis, which is just a fancy way of saying, let's zoom out, because when we zoom out and look at the big picture, it gives us clues on where the future price could potentially go to. And then, so we can see that price has shot up and then now it's ranging. So what we do is we go on the 4 hour. So we have a more detailed look at the chart. So we know where to buy low and sell high and draw our chart pattern. All right. So what do I see right now with this current price action? What I see is a symmetrical wedge. And for those who don't know, a symmetrical wedge is when price bounces in this wedge and it decides to break up or down. So this is how you draw a symmetrical wedge. You make it at least two touches, one touch, two touch here, and then one touch, two touch here. Awesome. Technical analysis is an art and not a science. So that's why it doesn't not have to look perfect, but it does look like a symmetrical wedge. So what usually happens is price squeezes like this until the market decides to pop up or it pops down. But since we're in a bull market, it has a higher probability of going up rather than down. All right. And as always, we want to use risk management. And risk management is just a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. For example, for trading a symmetrical wedge, you want to wait for the price to pop up and break this line. This line is called resistance, and it's really important because notice how price touched this line, then it shot down 27%, then it touched this line, then it shot down 9%. So it's very obvious to anyone who knows how to read charts that this is a very significant line. And once the market, once it breaks out of this line, the market reacts and it's bullish if it breaks out with a clean candle. So what you want to do is it breaks out with a clean candle, then it goes down like this. That's where you enter the trade. And that's where it's more safe to enter the trade because the market has shown to you that it's bullish. You don't want to enter here. Okay, say you want to enter, say you enter here. You don't want to enter right here because it's risky. You never know if the market just goes down like this. That's why you have to wait for the market to break out. All right. So if it does break out, and this is just an example, you enter here. You enter here with risk management. So, and risk management is just a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. So for April, it looks like it's going to break out soon. So for April, I do see the price going up right here. So let me draw something right here. All right. So let's say you have entered a trade with $5,000. All right, $5,000. All right. All right. You enter a trade of $5,000. Enter here, and it goes up and up and up because you're holding with strong hands. Whoop. So you would have gained 36% of that $5,000. But however, if it goes down like this and hits your stop loss and you're out of the trade, you sell the coin, you will lose 10%. You see, you have the potential to gain 36%, but lose 10%. This is how you trade with a mathematical edge, and this is how you gain money over the long run. Of course, once it hits here at $18, it doesn't mean you have to sell. You can sell a little bit if you want to. And if you're bullish on this coin, you keep holding and holding, and it keeps going up and up. All right. So, of course, you never want to buy the high. You see how people that bought the high here, they bought the high over here, and then the price dipped down 28%. You never want to buy high. People that FOMO in, they buy high and it causes them to sell low. And you never want to do that. Instead, you want to sit back, draw your chart pattern. So simple, very simple. And then you wait for a price to break out and then you enter with risk management. Right. So for April, I do suspect that Theta will break out since we're in a bull market, and it will break out. And yeah, to $18 and beyond. That would be a very good start. All right. So if you have found this video informative, like trading is definitely an awesome skill set that you can learn once, and you will. It's good for you. It benefits you for life. So if you have enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy my premium Telegram group, where I'll share with you a winning portfolio strategy, small cap coins that could go 10x, and my trading courses there, so you can learn how to trade with confidence and much more. Membership starts at $37. Right now, there's 71 of us. You come in, you join, you chat, you chill, you learn. It's pretty fun. And my Telegram contact is right here. All right, friend. So yeah, so I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. I do hope that you enter the trade intelligently and not just buy at random places. And I do hope that you make lots and lots of gains for this bull market and hold with strong hands. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.